Oh, look at you. Just not covered or anything. Summertime's coming, my friend, and we're going mudding. Woo, damn. Oh. Yo, you can't see me really. Damn, winter's coming to an end, guys, and I'm kind of running out of video ideas for cold starts, so we gotta start off with something new, and it'll be a whole new adventure. Especially with me talking about mudding this season with the 4Runner. Oh boy. We're gonna do a whole lot of mudding adventures this season with the 4Runner, and it's gonna be a whole lot of fun. I'll see you guys next. Peace.